such a beautiful day. Oh no, something's wrong with this guy. Ah! What is that? Hey, truck say, HBO, 79 Productions, you gotta see this. Okay. Do you know what that is? It's a Rubik's Cube. It's a puzzle. What kind of puzzle? See, this thing is different. It has many colors on it. But you gotta match all the colors on like this block, this block, this block, this block. So the thing in the middle is where you put all the colors in it, okay? Can we take it apart and then put it back in? No, that's not how a puzzle works. It's just a turn thingy. See, like, look. It's a turn thingy. See? Like that, okay? Yeah, but I don't know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Okay, and you're done. You solved Rubik's Cube. Yeah, that's how you solve a Rubik's Cube. Hey guys, I solved a Rubik's Cube. No, that's not how you solve a Rubik's Cube. Come on, it's just a puzzle. Okay. Whew. Do this. I think all of those matched on the side. Nope. Try this one. So, let me guess. All of these columns have that. But what about these? I don't know. I'm almost done solving it. But I don't know how to solve it. Drop the Rubik's Cube video again? No, it's too short. It's 1 minute. So that means you're not a speed cuber. He's a speed cuber. Oh, come on. Can I just find a way to solve this Rubik's Cube? Well, probably. Okay, fine. If you say so. And hours later. Hey guys, I finally solved a Rubik's Cube. Yay! Woo! Yay! Yep. This was a short that was made by Mason Amden.